The monsoon rains came, pause 0.6s, and the river overflowed its banks, breath threatening my entire harvest, pause 0.6s. I fought against the current, pause 0.6s, but the water was too powerful, breath, and I needed help, pause 0.6s. Then my giant friend took flight, pause 0.6s, his wings creating a mighty wind breath that pushed the waters back, pause 0.6s. With his powerful beak, pause 0.6s, he dug channels to drain the field, breath, saving my precious crops, pause 0.6s. I thanked my feathered friend, pause 0.6s, for his incredible strength, breath, and timely assistance, pause 0.6s. Together we stood victorious, pause 0.6s. Our bond stronger than any flood, breath ready for tomorrow's challenges, pause 0.6s.